So the mirroring actually has quite a few options within the application itself. So here we have the eShare with our IP address. This is the name of our share. If we come down here, we got quite a few more options. We can turn on the webcast option. We also have some options here for displaying more than one application. We have duplicate displays. You can also invite for joining display group. You can have the SmartBoard auto accept, or you can have it like pop up so you have to accept somebody to be able to use it, and you won't just have multiple people displaying their stuff on your screen. It'll show up in that list here. We also have a moderator control. You can share a screen or file. You can change the settings for that. The view control and wireless annotation, and floating moderator button. We also have some more settings over here. You can change the device name, the connection mode. We have device name, pin codes. We can also have a password, device name for floating window. We can have up to 9 multiple screens, which is pretty cool. We'll look more into that in the second video. We can also show the device name, auto full screen, AirPlay visible, and our Chromecast.